Okay, I got this off of Amazon. It's Addalock, because where else do we get things? Anyway, so it's supposed to help lock your door, like a portable lock, like you're staying at Airbnbs and stuff, which we're fixing to go on vacation and do that. So I was like, that's pretty cool. Okay, so you put this end in the part right there. So then you lock your door, and then this part, you get the little circle right here. Let me see where's, okay, circle. Okay, then you push it down. Okay, so here's the door unlocked. And that's unlocked. Door locked, obviously. So it's pretty cool. You're welcome. Okay, here is the Addalock that we got online on Amazon. Part of the reason why we got it is, as you can see, here's our door with a deadbolt, but our toddler kept coming in and running out the front door, which was an issue. So to prevent from making damage to the door, we got one of these, and it's really easy to use. You just go over here, slide this little thing in on this side, in here, go like that, shut the door. You get a little bit used to it after a while, and you take the little clip, or the little circle is right here, just clip it in like that. That's all you do.
Why? Why, Mama?
See? So now my child cannot come and unlock the door and run out.
Hey everybody, I'm going to do a review for the Addalock. So here we go. Here's my front door, and here's the Addalock piece. It comes as so, and what you do is you just slip the metal piece into your door like this. So I'm going to show you where I'm slipping it in between, and I just slip the hook piece like that, and then I close my door. And then what you have here is the red piece with a little metal circle there, and you just stick the circle in between the hole here as so, and you press down like that, and now the door is locked and it's bolted and it's removable, and nobody can get in whether they have a key or not, and I can't get out actually until I unhook it. And this is the best thing I've ever bought. I take it to hotels with me, I take it everywhere I go. It makes me feel safe inside my house, because I also live by myself, and removal is easy as this. You just lift it up as I just did and open the door, and there you go. So I hope you guys buy this product. Definitely make you feel safe and secure. I'm definitely glad that I bought it, and yeah, it's a lifetime thing I'm going to keep with me forever. Good luck shopping.
Here, I'm going to try to show you how the lock works. I have to do it one-handed, so hopefully you'll see. So you stick the little things like that. Close the door on it like that. Then you take the little sticky thing and you stick it through this hole like that. And then you jam it down and it leans against the door. So even if it's, see, like technically I don't lock the door, and that's what you get. It's blocked. So that's my lock. Makes me feel better. Bye.
Just got my new lock in today. It's added security. You put this in here, slide it down. They cannot open your door, even if they have a key. All you have to do is let that go like that, and you can get out.